Yeah, man. So, everybody, I didn't even want to really just be trying to, drink, and smoke on the camera and stuff. So, and you guys see me do them little quick moves and stuff, it's because I'm not really trying to just be on the camera and stuff like that with that stuff. But, like I said, man, PK, Porsche Kev here, PK Networks. Thank y'all for coming back to my channel. But I keep coming out with this content, man. I got this stuff that nobody don't really know about. Somebody doing it, but they ain't doing it. I'm black. You feel me? But yeah, I'm just chilled that at the house. Like I said, I just got off the phone with the lawyer. I got this other stuff I'm trying to put in the works. People keep doing this racist stuff to me out here, to my people. So if I come to your business and you ain't doing your fucking job, guess what? I'm finna get my lawyer and we finna sue your ass. Police, you doing that same stuff, guess what? I'm finna sue the whole police precinct. Everybody. I'm coming for you, okay? So look out for me. But yeah, what's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's going on out there? Yeah, it's hot up in here. But yeah, so you see it, man. I'm up in the room chilling, got the little furs up there, you know what I'm saying? Check the eyes on that thing, you know what I'm saying? Oh, normally I would be wearing a Rollie, a little Rolex or something, But, we always keep something on deck for y'all. Y'all can't really see that because, it's the other side. Oh, there it is. Boom. If you couldn't get it, you couldn't get it. But yeah, I got these new things right here. So, my vape, I got it wrapped in gold. Now, check it. Boom. My little vape. I know if he's blinking, but now, like I said, you can't stop there. You got to coordinate, right? What else you got? Hey, what else you got? Hey, when I go do business deals, I have my pen. Y'all see that? That gold thing. Boom. So when I pull up on you, mocha something, gold. Oh. But you know how every family, if you got like everybody that's big and there's a problem, he might have that custom knife. Give me my field knife. Give him a knife. You feel me? Well, I got mine too. So y'all seen where we was going with that. That gold thing. You know what I'm saying? That gold thing. But I had mine custom done. I told him I want the samurai on there, though. You know what I'm saying? The samurai on that thing. You feel me? With the dragon on bottom. So, everybody got their little custom shit. But, oh yeah, you don't stop there. So, check it. My watch. I normally wear a Rollie, but look, check this. Tell me if y'all seen this, though. Look at this. Now, wait for it. Now, let me see if y'all can get it. Now, I don't normally do this. I'm going to do this for y'all. Check it. Boom. Boom. Now, ain't nobody supposed to be seeing that, but I hope y'all caught that, though. Okay? So, y'all already know what we getting into right now. Now, like I said, I wasn't trying to poke on the camera, so y'all gotta forgive me about that. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't trying to, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see what I'm watching? Who is that? Look at your boy. Look at him. Look at it. Look at him in the booth. That nigga Wiz. Look at it. That nigga laughing. Y'all know who watching. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this shit rolling, right? So yeah, like I said, we just working on stuff. I'm just in the house right now. Got a little bit of paper I'm saying? A couple dollars for y'all. You know, you got these bills you gotta pay. You know what I'm saying? Get it. Go ahead and get it. Y'all go ahead and get it. Y'all go ahead and get it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so these guys keep on doing this racist stuff at all these jobs, you know what I'm saying? I keep telling them, man, I got a little paper to spend, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me, I got custom stuff, you know what I mean? I had to pay to get that, so why y'all ever playing the game? You know what I'm saying? You see paper in the face, what? You know what I mean? But they still want to act like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's because I'm black? Oh, okay, so you know, my money ain't good. Look, my money ain't good? Okay, I bet my money good for this lawyer to get your ass, huh? Yeah. Like I said, normally I whoop niggas' ass all the time. Oh, you're beefing? Oh, okay. You don't want to respect my 600? Bitch, but you want to respect his 5? Okay, I got you. That's why you should have stayed in school. See money, no money. Respect money. Bitch, now what? Cuss his ass out. Seen that? Not because he was a female dog. Not because you was a chick in your fucking feelings, okay? Nah, because, explanation point, I tell the nigga, hope. Now, we don't want to keep that on camera, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, I want to let y'all know that we come with the content. Still got money down here on the floor. You know, y'all already seen this, the money on the floor. Look at the hands. Empty money, money on the floor. Look, down, look. Hand over, look. The other money that we was just counting. Let's make sure y'all get it right. Like, yeah, he counting the same money. Shit, you know me, I count money over just because I have to make sure. Nah, look at him. He doing disappearing acts and shit. All right, look. That's money in one hand. Look. Wait. Switch, cross. Behind the back. Look, switch. Look, you seen that? Look, switch. No. Money in hand. Look. Look. Put it together. Okay? Now. Again. You know, niggas got money too. You know? Just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. I'm gonna pocket it. I ain't got no pocket on this one. Fuck it. Nigga ain't got no pocket on this one. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Let me put them together. Let me go ahead and give y'all. Let me give y'all a regular view for everybody. You know what I'm saying? PK, man. Porsche Kev, man. PK Networks, man. You know what I'm saying? We get money too. You know what I'm saying? Nigga don't have a name like that if you ain't even got enough money to buy the damn car, nigga. Damn. That's what I be telling niggas all the time. Look. Come on, man. Man, come on. Man, come on, man. But yeah, so that's that. Okay? I'm gonna do this for you. Look. Boom. Check the hand. What's this? Is that an envelope? Is that? Y'all get up in there. Is that an envelope? Just want y'all to get up in there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get up in there. Okay? Wait. Sleight of hand to the right. Look. Look. What's that? So I'll go ahead and get in there. So I'll go ahead and get on up in there. Okay. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Niggas get money too. Look. 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 Niggas get money too. You know what I'm saying? Niggas get money too, bruh. Look. Niggas making it rain, but I'm trying to make a shower. You know what I'm saying? Oh. I'm trying to make a shower, bro. You know, niggas gotta clean up. You know niggas gotta clean their body. You know that. Don't act like you don't know they gotta clean up. But I'm trying to make a shower though, I'm telling you. Man. Check, man. I'm trying to make a shower though, man. Look at the Yeezys, man. Come on, man. Look, all in my little, you feel me? Like, man. Let me get a light, bro. You feel me? So, you know, let me start be talking that, man. PK Networks, man. I'm out here, bro. You know, got a couple dollars too, man. I'm trying to get mines, man. So, you know, look at the bed, man. Them Fox Furs, bro. Look at the bed, bro. Fox Furs, man. Let me get some of this. Let me get some of this, bro. Look at the bed, bro. Fox Furs, man. Look at the bed, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm about to chill out, smoke, huh? You know, when you tired, you already know, man. You gotta get a pillow. Let me get a pillow. Somebody let me get a, oh, where's the pillow at? There it is. Oh. Yeah. Let me get a blanket. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get a pillow. Hey man, silk sheets, man, Fox Furs, man. PK Networks, man. Money blowing around. I'll see you. Y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. I'm gonna keep coming with this content, y'all.